Hello everybody, I got another package from DigiKey. I have to open it up and see what's inside. I also have a little package from Amazon I received. I'll open it up later on in the video and I'll show you what's inside. Let me just find. I know the knife was here. I don't see things this morning. Maybe I need more coffee. Okay, so there's a couple components here. Oh, one second. Yeah, I remember this. This is from... which board is that? Okay, yeah. This is from this board, I believe. Okay, awesome. So I can fix two boards today. And that would be perfect. So this is the chip for this guy that I'm gonna replace, and those resistors are quite big. I don't know, maybe I'll keep those ones, but I think maybe they're a little bit too big for this board, but I will see the reading, because this actually was for this. So let's see what I see here. Well, that's awesome. I can fix this guy and ship it over. So let's see what I have here. 40. The heck, it's jumping like this. 2.9 ohms, okay. Not sure why I can't get reading on those. Okay, I'll start with this first, and I can go next. I'm gonna take this IC chip out, and the way you take it, you just put some solder all those legs, and then you just use this tweak to take it out all out. I'll try to see, I might have this Okay, I just have to find a resistor that will match, because this resistor, I don't think it's the right for this job. You can see by the size of it, and this resistor is actually good, but because the way it looks like, I want to still get this one replaced. Just give me 1 second, I want to test something. Yeah, the only thing I want to replace here is this resistor. Although it's still giving me good readings. Two point 4.2 ohms. I'll stop the video, I'll see if I have anything with 4.2 ohms, and then let me just write the reading here. 4.2 ohms. Okay, I'll see if I have anything like that. If I do, then I will just swap it and it should be all good to go. Other than that, all the components are good here. There's no problems. This one I will fix right away, and this I will swap, and the board should be ready for shipment. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care.